Good morning, one and all. In this class, I am going to take pin configuration of 8085. We are going to see detailed information about data bus, address bus, control and status signal, power supply, clock signal, interrupts, externally integrated signal in pin configuration of 8085 microprocessor. Let's start. Data bus, address bus, control and status signal, clock signal, power supply, interrupts and externally integrated signal. These are the 6 classification we are going to see in this section. This is a diagram which shows the detailed information of pin configuration of 8085 microprocessor. Let's start with the address bus in 8085. The address bus is a group of 16 lines, that is A15 to A8. The address bus is unidirectional, that is bytes flow in one direction from the microprocessor unit to the peripheral devices, and use the higher order address bus. It carries the most significant 8-bit of memory address. Now we are going to see data bus. Address 87 to 80 is carries the least significant 8-bit address and data bus. Data bus is bidirectional because data flow in both directions, from microprocessor to input to output devices and from input to output devices to microprocessor. Control and status signal. This signal are used to identify the natural operation. There are 3 control signal and 3 status signal. Let's see what are the 3 control signal: RD, WI and ALE. RD is used to read. This signal indicates that the selected I/O is to be read and is ready for accepting data available on the data bus. WR. This signal indicates the area on the data bus is to be written into a selected memory location. ALE. It is a positive going plus generated when a new operation is started by the microprocessor. When the plus goes high, it indicates address. When the plus goes down, it indicates data. The 3 status signals are IO, M, S0 and S1. IO, M. IO and M stands for input, output and memory. This signal is used to differentiate between IO and memory operation. That is, when it is high, it indicates IO operation, and when it is low, it is indicate memory operation. S1 and S0. This signal are used to identify the type of current operation. Power supply. These are 2 power supply signals, VCC and VSS. VCC indicates 5 watts power supply. VSS indicates group signal. Clock signals. There are 3 clock signals: X1, X2, click out, X1, X2. A critical which is connected at these 2 pins and used to set frequency of internet clock generator. This frequency is internally divided by 2. Click out. This signal is used as a system clock for devices connected with the microprocessor. Interrupts and externally integrated signals. Interrupts are the signals generated by the external devices to request the microprocessor to perform a task. There are 5 interrupt signals: trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. We will all discuss interrupts in detail in interrupt section. INTR. It is an interrupt request signal. INTR is the only non-vectorized interrupts in 8085 microprocessor. Maskable interrupts are those which can be disabled or ignored by the microprocessor. INTA. It is an interrupt acknowledgement sent by the microprocessor after INTA is received. RST in. This signal is used to reset the microprocessor by setting the program counter to 0. RST out. This signal is used to reset all the connected devices when the microprocessor is reset. Ready. These signals indicate that the device is ready to send or receive data. If ready is slow, then the CPU has to wait for ready to go high. Hold. This indicates that other master is requesting the use of address and data buses. HLDA. Hold acknowledgement. It indicates that the CPU has received the over request and the bus is in the next clock cycle. SLDA is set to 0 after the old signal is removed. Serial input and output signal. There are two serial signals, SID and SOD, and this signal are used for serial communication. SOD stands for serial output data line. This output SOD is set or reset as specified by the SIM instruction. SOD, serial input data line. The data on this line is loaded into accumulator whenever the SIM instruction is executed. Thank you for this opportunity.